Hi guys, I'm back with another Shein haul. So you guys loved my previous haul, so I thought like I will make another haul with you guys. So let's start. So I bought few pieces from Shein, so I thought that I will share my review with you guys and let you know what do I think about these products. So if you want to check it out, just be with me and watch till the end. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I make videos about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. I have shopped from Shein so many times that I love shopping with them. I have done Shein haul previously as well, and if you have not checked those out already, just go ahead and check the Shein previous hauls. You guys love watching Shein hauls and I love making Shein hauls. So I thought like why not go ahead and make another Shein haul for you guys. So I have changed the setup a bit, like I'm shooting in another room. Like let me know what do you think about this background, if you like it, and then I will make more videos in this room. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So let's start this haul by reviewing the dresses. Like you know, I'm a dress girl. I love dresses and especially Shein ones. So the first dress which I will be showing in this haul is this blue dress. Like it's a floral print dress, and you like who has already watched me, that they know that I am obsessed with floral prints, that I seriously absolutely love them. So this is my first dress and it's blue in color. So it's a floral print dress. So the thing is, like, quality is amazing. Like the fabric is quite thick and it's quite elegant, but my problem with this dress is the neckline is way too broad for me. I am not comfortable wearing these kind of deep necks, and and the sleeve style is somewhat like this. See, it's like it's kind of a mega sleeve. I don't know how what to call it. It's extremely loose. I feel like what I did wrong with this dress is I ordered a size up. Oh, it was 0XL. Like I don't know, I should have gotten a L size in this. So like it's extremely loose on me. So I will still do a try on and I will show you guys how this looks on me. But still, like I was not that happy with it. Maybe it's my fault because I have selected a size up. If I would have gotten a size down, then this would have been made an amazing fit for me. But again, like if you guys are comfortable in wearing deep necks and like you are comfortable in broad necks, then this dress is for you. You can absolutely check it out, and quality is really amazing. It's quite stretchable. So my advice to you is like, see how much stretch is there in this dress. So if you guys are planning to buy this dress, then I will definitely suggest you guys to size down a one or two, because like for me the mistake I did, like for me what happens whenever I shop from Shein, I definitely go to the reviews and check out the reviews that other people have put for that particular item. So I went like, I don't know, like people have told to size down a bit, but I have gotten only one size down. So I thought like it might not fit me, but I was wrong. And it has this puff kind of sleeves. Like I don't know if you guys can see it, and the length is extremely comfortable. Like it comes till your knee. It's not that long. So it's not that long, it's not that short. Like my only problem with this dress is the neckline. So I feel if I would have gotten a size down, then like it would have been a great dress. So I will show you like how it looks on me. Just go ahead and check it out. So this dress would have been a 6 or 5 for me because it didn't fit me and it was very loose. I don't know how I will like work with it. I might return it after this lockdown, or like how it will be. Let me see. Like you guys let me know in the comment section, like should I keep it or return it. So moving on to the second dress. This dress is a green bodycon kind of dress. It's an amazing and elegant dress. Oh, how I love this dress. It's extremely beautiful. The color is extremely pretty. It comes in a with a zipper at the back. Like, see, zip is there. It comes till your it comes till here. Like, it's quite a long zip till your hip bone. Like, this much zip is there. So, like, yeah. Again with this dress, like, neckline was a bit broad for me, but still I could wear it. I could carry it off. It was not that deep, so it was manageable and comfortable. And after, like, looking at this, you might feel that it's transy, but once you wear it, it's extremely fine. Like, you don't have to wear under like, you don't have to wear anything under it. You can check it out. I will share the try on in the same video. And the length of this dress is till your knee. It's like a not a proper bodycon. It's like it fits till your like waist, and then it gives a very pretty awesome curve to your body. Like, yeah, it's like, you can say it's kind of a formal dress. Like, I can see myself wearing it on a date or a party as well. Like, I absolutely love this dress. And like, the sleeves are like this. They are quite short, so if you have a bit arm fat, then, like, if you are having a bit of sleeve, then you are sorted. It will look awesome. So yeah, like, this dress is a 10 for me. Yeah, seriously, I loved it. Like, if one thing I have to change, then I might get the neck altered, because it's a bit low for me. So as I said, I'm not comfortable in wearing deep necks. So yeah, like, this is extremely pretty. You have pleats at the back as well. Let's see. Quality is amazing. Like, Shein has never disappointed me. If, like, it's like in the previous dress, I feel the fault is mine only. If I would have gotten a size down, then it would have fitted me, like, extremely nicely. So yeah. Moving on to the next item of this haul, that is a denim skirt. Like, I had really amazing experience in buying a bottom from them. Like, I have bought a black skirt from them. I have bought jeans from them. If you have not checked out my previous Shein hauls, then you can check it out. I will add the description, and I will add everything, the links and everything in the description box. So this is how the skirt looks like. It's pretty short, so it has these buttons at the front. Like, 4 buttons are there. It's little bit high waisted, so it will be like till your mid thigh. And at the bottom, this flares kind of thing is there. Like, this ruffle thing is there. So the best thing about this skirt is it has pockets. So, like, we have 2 pockets over here, like this and this. So I absolutely love the skirts which comes with pockets, and with this it's a double bonus because we have pockets at the back as well. Like, how great and crazy this is. I absolutely love the skirts, like, which have pockets. Like, this is absolutely amazing for me. And one thing for the skirt, like it came with a like back cut. So what I did, I was not comfortable wearing it like that because it was quite like, you know, already short for me. So I, you know, stitched it a bit. But again, like it's a beautiful and extremely classy piece. I think every girl must own this skirt. If you are planning to buy a denim skirt, then you can definitely check Shein items. Like they are absolutely amazing. The price of this skirt was somewhere around 700 or 800. I don't remember it exactly. I will add everything in the description box along with the price, size, everything. So the next item of this Shein haul is this pair of black jeans. It's an extremely ordinary pair of jeans, nothing special about it, yet it is so excellent and classy. Like it has this amazing stretch to it. Like it was perfect for me, like the measurements and everything, it was extremely perfect because I checked the size properly and it fits me like a glove. I will like add my video and you can check it out like how it looks on me. So I have bought a number of bottoms from Shein and they have never disappointed me. I had really amazing experience with them. Previously I bought a black skirt, two blue jeans I have ordered, like I have added in my previous hauls, and if you have not already checked it out, please go ahead and check out my previous haul videos. You will definitely. So the price of this jeans was somewhere around 800 rupees. I feel it's worth it at this price because like in the market if you go, you will not find a jeans below 1000 rupees. And like as I said, the quality is really amazing. It comes with one button and then a zipper, and then you have two pockets in the front, and then you have two pockets at the bottom, at the back. And then the length of this jeans is perfect, like it comes to my ankle. Like if you check the measurements, I think for everyone it will come to ankle because it is ankle length jean, and it will look classy with, like you can style it with, like you all know that there are a number of ways you can style a black jeans. Like it's such a versatile and absolutely must have piece for every girl. So the next item for this Shein haul is this black kimono. Like I believe everything I added in this haul are the basic items, and if you are looking to buy something basic like a jeans, a skirt, a normal formal dress or a kimono or normal basic pieces, then you can, this haul will definitely help you out. So this is a black kimono. I never had a kimono, so I thought that I saw it on their website and I thought let me buy it. So it's, again, this is also such a good piece. Like quality is seriously amazing. I ordered it in 0XL. So like let me show you, it looks amazing. Like I forgot to add sorry I forgot to add I forgot to add a video while wearing it, so I thought like I will try and show it to you guys. See how extremely classy it looks. Like if you guys are going on a vacation, or like you guys are going for vacation or beach kind of thing, then if you are wearing a beach, if you guys are wearing beach attire, then you can definitely throw it on and cover yourself up, and you can definitely tie a knot at the bottom like this, and then it will look so classy. So yeah, I feel it's a absolutely amazing and beautiful piece. So like light is going down, I better wind up this video quickly. So it comes with these pom-poms at the bottom. Like how cute and pretty it is. See, like these are the pom poms. So yeah, like if you are wearing if you are like, sorry, if you are having beach wear and you are planning to go out and you are not comfortable, then you can definitely throw it on and then you are covered and yet you are looking, you know, sizzling in the beach wear. Then definitely you can check this out. So my next item is something random. So I thought I saw other influencers buying it, so I thought that I will also check this item. Like it, these are the fake nails. It comes in this cute box. So you will get, I think you will get 24 pieces. Let me open and show it to you guys. So this is how it looks. So it comes with a double-sided tape. I don't know, I have opened it. Let me show it to you guys. Sorry, someone is at the door. So yeah, it looks like this. Like, I will show you one. It's in matte finish. No, if I will wear it, it will look like this. Oh, I will definitely do a try on for this. I will make a separate video on it, like how you can wear fake nails. It comes with a double-sided tape like this. See, so you can wear using this tape. So I will definitely do a different video on this whole another video, like how you can wear fake nails. So this is it for the haul, guys. Let me know what do you think about it, and if you guys want me to like do hauls for different sites like Myntra or Club Factory, please let me know. And let me know which was the favorite item, and which item you thought like you liked the most, which dress you liked most. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, take care.